learn how to correctly use the verb say and tell in reported speech. The verb say is often used to focus on the exact words spoken. The verb tell usually includes a listener or a person being told something. Understanding the difference helps to use these verbs properly in English. The verb say is used with something to express the words spoken without specifying who hears it. The verb tell requires a person or listener after it. When you say something, you focus on the words. When you tell someone, you specify who you are speaking to. For example, you can say, "I am tired." She said she was tired, or he said he would call me. Use say plus words or clauses without naming the person receiving the speech. This is common when reporting speech generally. Tell is used when the listener is mentioned. For example, she said, "You are my best friend," becomes she told me I was her best friend. He said, "I will call you," becomes he told me he would call me. Tell always needs a listener. One common mistake is saying, "He said me." This is incorrect. The right way is, "He told me." Always remember you must not use said with a person. Instead, use told. The usual pattern for say is, person said that, followed by the clause, the word that is optional. For tell, the pattern is, told plus person plus that and the clause. Always include the indirect object with tell. Practice with examples like, she said, "I am tired," becomes she said she was tired. He said, "I will call you," becomes he said he would call me. They said, "We are visiting tomorrow," becomes they said they would visit the next day. She asked, "Do you know?" becomes she asked if I knew. Avoid mistakes like, he said me that he was tired. Correct this by saying, he told me that he was tired. Using tell with a person and said correctly makes sentences clearer and grammatically correct. Practice converting direct speech to reported speech. For example, "I can solve this problem." I said becomes I said that I could solve that problem. "Where do you live?" She asked becomes she asked where I lived. "Will you come tomorrow?" He asked becomes he asked if I would come the next day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.